Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets, red color, silver color, and the next one is dark pink color, light pink color, dark green color, yellow color, orange color, white color, yes, brown color, sky blue color, black color, light green color, blue color, and the last one is Persian blue color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. The next one is M, N, O, P, Q, R. Now start writing alphabets A to R. Say with us. First we're using the color of blue color, and writing A. The next one is B, C for cat, D for dog, E, and the next one is F for fish, F for fan. Yes, now we're using the color of light pink color, G, and the next one is H, I, J, K, L for lion, dark pink color, M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, O, P for penguin, Q, R for rose, F for rice. Thank you so much for watching.